Okay, so right now I'm going to be decorating a candle. So I'm going to pour my hot wax in at a certain temperature. At a certain amount. Boom, that's it. Boom, that's it. Boom. I'm just trying a different design, same fragrance. I want to expand and change things in my business, so we're experimenting. But this is just how you will pour on two, and you will let this sit. So I'll be back. How the design should look, it should be a solid white at the bottom and just a little bit to cover the wick base. I just do this as a design. Doesn't really have to be evenly poured, but as long as you can see the whiting, you do not have to worry about any frosting or anything like that. If you don't like stuff like this, you can always go across it with the heat gun for a couple seconds. Me personally, that is fine. So that's what it should sort of kind of look like. Step one. Okay, so now we have all of these. Now we're just going to pour the design into there. All of these are scented. And this is lavender and eucalyptus fragrance. And yeah, normally I have these tie-dye, but I wanted them to be a pretty simple looking candle. And then you just keep going all the way. If you spill, it's okay. You get that up with alcohol. Yeah. Just keep going. I really don't take my time. I just pour however, it don't matter. And then there's a little left, so I could just divide it between. That's how you make a candle. Hold on, wait, let me see. So these are hardened so you guys can see the different colors and tones. But I have 6 lavender and eucalyptus candles made. No, I am not going to tell you how much wax I put into it or what ingredients I put into it. There's YouTube videos for that. This is just a simple design video. Thanks for watching and subscribe. So this is what your candle should look like after they sit. If you're worried about the cracking like this candle has, then you just can take a hot gun and do it for a couple seconds and it'll smooth back out. This one, it's just cracks, but if you look at the design, it's cracks in here as well. So I'm not really too concerned. I have to clean it up a little bit, but other than that, this is what they look like.